Thank you for buying this 10198 small mobile sink from Fixture Displays. This is a great solution to have it around when you're on your road trip or you run your food business, to have running water available to your family or your patrons. Later in this video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put it together. When we designed this unit, we have in mind to use or reuse 1-gallon milk jugs or water jugs as the containers for fresh and wastewater. So the chamber fits 2 of those perfectly. In this video, we demonstrated using 2 steel cans. Those are not included because they're fairly bulky to ship, and milk jugs are all over the place, so why not reuse? These are all the components, and assembly is fairly straightforward. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. CS, that's charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. These are the panels, the back panel, bottom, left, right, door panel, hardware, and the fixture for fixing the faucet, inlet and outlet hoses, sink, top panel, and door panel. To begin, we want to fasten the back panel to the base panel. There are 3 holes and embedded nuts. You can just fasten the screws. Fixture Displays offer a variety of consumer and business products. We encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com to find other products and services we offer. When installing the side panel, make sure the orientation is correct and connected both to the base and back panels. This is the other side panel that had the hinges on, or half of the hinges. At this time, we're going to put on the friction fixture for the faucet, fasten from the bottom into the 2 holes, and this is going to stay on top of the top panel for the faucet to sit on. Then we're going to fasten the top panel to the edges of the 3 panels. We're going to do so from inside out. Lastly, you're going to hang the door. Simply match the hole position up and drop it in. If you have a custom requirement, we'd love the opportunity to work for you. Just email us cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com and we will take care of you. Lastly, we're going to install the lock. Fasten this big nut, and I'm going to undo the screw to install the tongue locker piece. And this is how we're going to fix the sink. The drain screw with the drop down to there. You want to put the washer on top, and it is recommended to use the plumber's adhesive in doing this. A couple of silicone washers, and then put on the big nut. We prepared 2 outlet hoses, long and short, depending on how you configure. You can use either one. You do not need both. And there's the hose clamp used to tighten the hose. And again, use some plumber's adhesive and then tighten this hose clamp tightly. Likewise, when you drop the sink in there, you want to use some adhesive. It's not required, but once you assemble it properly, it's just a little more comfortable to use. Now we're going to insert this spout onto the faucet and then connect the inlet hose like that. I'm going to feed the inlet hose through the hole on that little fixture, and then we're going to pressure fit the faucet on top. It has a little bit of play, but that is okay. It's sturdy. It's going to stay there. Again, this chamber is perfect for fitting 2 1-gallon water milk jugs. Use of this is fairly simple. A light tap and water start to flow. I hope you enjoyed this product in this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. The faucet has a built-in rechargeable battery, and you can charge as you need to. One full charge will allow you to dispense 5 1-gallon jugs or so. And you're gonna need one of these bricks. If you don't have one handy, you can purchase one from us. Our number is 15931. And simply plug this in. The red light would come on. And once it's fully charged, the red light would disappear. In addition to this mobile sink, we also have a regular size cabinet size mobile sink. Part number is 10122. Also have a metal cabinet version. Part number is 10094. In addition, we also have a temperature controlled unit. Part number is 10180. If you desire to order a heater for this, part number is 18536. Heater controller that would heat your inlet fresh water. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.